Welcome back to Full Course Online. In this lesson, we are going to explore a very useful feature in Excel that saves time when calculating numbers, AutoSum and quick functions. Let's begin with AutoSum. AutoSum is the fastest way to insert a sum formula into your worksheet. Here's how it works. First, select the blank cell directly below a column of numbers. Then, on the Home tab or the Formulas tab, click the AutoSum button. Excel will automatically guess the range of numbers and insert a formula that looks like this, equals sign, sum, and then the range inside parentheses. Simply press Enter, and the total will appear. If you need more than just the sum, click the small drop-down next to AutoSum. From here, you can quickly insert other common functions such as average, count numbers, maximum, or minimum. This makes it really easy to perform basic calculations without manually typing formulas. Now, let's say you have several columns of numbers and you want totals for all of them at once. Simply select the entire block of numbers, including the row where you want the totals to appear, and click AutoSum. Excel will automatically create some formulas for each column in one step. Excel also gives you tools to check numbers quickly without inserting any formulas. For example, when you select a range of numbers, look down at the status bar at the bottom of Excel. You will see instant values such as sum, average, and count displayed automatically. This is very handy when you just need a quick check. Another tool is Quick Analysis. When you highlight a block of numbers, a small Quick Analysis button may appear near your selection. Click it and choose Totals. From here, you can instantly add sum, average, or other quick functions directly into your sheet. That's all for AutoSum and quick functions. These tools are small, but they save a lot of time and effort. If this lesson was helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Full Course Online.